We keep going on the way to Tanguche. You can hear a horse somewhere. Come. We're about 1 hour away, and the scenery starts changing. There is a lot more humidity. Also, there is a lot of moss in all the trees. I was told that above 4,000 meters there are basically no trees. 4.4 thousand there are not trees, and the ones that you can find, they are super small, like sub-meter, no taller than 1 meter. These are the same jacks that went up. They're going down for a second trip, I guess. Look at those fucking huge paws or patas. What are these called? Legs. So walking on the trail, I just found this place. Looks like taken up from a movie or something.